All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about crypto.com, CRO. A lot of stuff's going on with them. Their price is actually up right now, which is fantastic. We're going to go to their website and check out their Twitter. Also, LeBron James is partnering up with crypto.com so they can actually teach to youth about cryptocurrency. That's going to be fantastic. We're going to go over that. And then we're going to go over to an article with a 24-year-old artist who actually learned about NFTs about a month before she started doing it. And in the last 10 months, she's made over $300,000 doing NFTs. So we're going to check that out. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos, or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, even own some cryptocurrency. So we'll do a price prediction of CRO when we get done. LeBron James has had that school that he teaches the youth and everything. They want to bring that in. Let's go over to crypto.com. All right here, number 17, crypto.com. Take a look at this. Up 12% in the last 7 days. That's awesome. The coin is actually up. Clicking it, well, right here, it's traded for 42 cents, crypto.com. Let's go and take a look here in the last 7 days, what it's looked like. Yep, 7 days ago, this coin was at 33 cents, 34 cents. It's all the way up to 42 cents. So that's fantastic. All right, checking the holders. Let's see what's happened with the holders. Clicking the 3 months. All right, 3 months ago, there was 116,000 holders of the CRO. Right now, there's 207. That's almost 100,000 increase, about 95,000. So the coin has actually went up. The holders, about 85% more people, almost double the people holding the CRO. All right, right here, LeBron James partners crypto.com to teach kids about crypto. LeBron James, he's a world champion. He's won 3 championships, one with the Cleveland Cavaliers, the Miami Heat, and one with the Lakers. It says right here, the NBA champion LeBron James was diving deep into crypto. His latest partnership with the prominent crypto exchange, crypto.com, is proof of the same. Athletes from all over the globe have time and time again expressed their interest in crypto, from rolling their own crypto assets to accepting their salary in crypto. Sports personality has made it big in the cryptoverse. LeBron James, however, wanted to do things a little differently. The 4-time NBA star decided to educate the children part of his foundation about all things crypto. So James has been running an I Promise school since 2011, and he's amassed over 1,600 children ever since. The foundation is set up in Akron, Ohio, and is set to teach the children and their family the prospects of Web3. The impact that web technology has made over the years is quite hard to miss with the latest program. James intended to present the children of his foundation with the opportunity of choosing careers in the crypto space and similar fields. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing our economy, sports and entertainment, the art world, how we engage with one another. We want to ensure the community alike that I will come from one that I've not left behind. Crypto.com and I have aligned on the needs to educate and support the communities for the information tools they need to keep moving and growing. LeBron James and crypto.com in the spotlight. So that's fantastic right there. We got LeBron James, and he's partnering with crypto.com. Well, again, you got LeBron James. He's going to be teaching the youth about crypto. Do you think crypto's going anywhere? It's not. Okay, crypto.com in a few weeks from now, they're talking about the Super Bowl commercials. Well, you know it's coming. Super Bowl commercials are coming. So, and you know what, crypto.com and FTX are going to be all over the place talking about it. All right, I actually wanted to go ahead and play you the advertisement that we've been seeing all for the last 17, 18 weeks. Here we go.
History is filled with almosts. With those who almost adventured, who almost achieved, but ultimately, for them it proved to be too much. Then there are others, the ones who embrace the moment and commit. And in these moments of truth, these men and women, these mere mortals, just like you and me, as they peer over the edge, they calm their minds and steel their nerves with 4 simple words that have been whispered by the intrepid since the time of the Romans. Fortune favors the brave.
All right, right there, that advertisement, we've been seeing it for weeks and weeks, watching football. Crypto.com is going to be advertising heavily in the Super Bowl. So be ready to watch a lot of crypto commercials coming up. Football's been going on all day today, and we've been seeing crypto commercials on the tube. All right, 24-year-old artist is making $300,000 in the last 10 months doing NFTs. Let's check this out. All right, the 24-year-old artist has made over $300,000 in 10 months selling NFTs. I hope to inspire more creators who are of color. And there you go. There's her picture right there. She's got some art behind her. And then here's one of her pictures. It says, since February, Lana Dinina has earned over $300,000 from selling her art and NFTs, non-fungibles, on various platforms. But only a month earlier, she just began to learn about it. At the time, I didn't know anything about the blockchain. The 24-year-old tells CNBC Make It, she started looking into it and her mind was blown. It was completely revolutionary. As a painter, Dinina was instantly impressed with the technology and abilities to act as a vehicle for proof of ownership for the artist. Traditional galleries are all kinds of like the old world, and since there isn't diversity, Dinina says, I never felt fully attracted to it, especially a woman of color. Unlike traditional markets for art, NFTs and Web3 allow artists to create their own galleries and set their own price online. Dinina explains the artists can also earn royalties and secondary sales of the work of the NFTs. Dinina earns 10%. I hope to inspire more creators who look like me to step a foot into tech, she says. There's another one of her awesome pieces. Dinina is based in Montreal, Canada, and she started selling NFTs painting she created by a one-by-one, but later began listing entire collections. Though both are unique, the single works are one-on-one, non-generic pieces, where collections are often generated that meant to be collectibles. She minted her most recent collection called the Mona Lana in November, and she sold out within weeks. The Mona Lana collection had 500 unique portraits of women created by Dinina. Each portion was generated by code with 112 different traits, she says. It took off very fast, and I was surprised. I don't know if I got lucky, and I was a big success for me and my partner. So there's, again, some of her art. The key thing on this is, again, she's making $300,000 doing NFTs, doing arts. She's trying to inspire people in the cryptocurrency space of NFTs. So fantastic stuff, everybody. So I don't know, give us your thoughts. Have you ever bought any NFTs? Have you ever minted any NFTs? Are you an artist out there and you're thinking about it? This lady said she researched it for about a month, and then she started to learn it. So again, with all kinds of this technology and things going on, let's go ahead and check that out. All right, I said before I wanted to go over the crypto bubbles. Some people don't know about crypto bubbles, but it's, HTTPS cryptobubbles.net. And like right here, Sand, you click it, and it tells you all the stats right there. Right here's Boro. You click it. Right here's Atom, Cosmos, FTT, FTX token. So right here on the bubbles, it has all your different bubbles, Luna that's in there, and you click it and it's got your stats. So I just kind of wanted to share that. I actually found out some people that they didn't know about the crypto bubbles, but cryptobubbles.net, check it out. All right, over here at the website, crypto.com, we already played the advertisement, which is fantastic. It says the world's fastest growing crypto app, joined 10 million users buying and selling 250 cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend with crypto.com Visa and get 8% back. Grow your portfolio and receive rewards up to 14.5% on crypto assets. Buy crypto at true cost. The only card you will need. Enjoy up to 8% back on spending with your sleek, pure metal card. No annual fees. Top up with your fiat or currency. Choose your card. Deposit crypto, earn rewards. Choose from 40 cryptocurrencies and stable coins. This crypto.com, you can get credit cards. You can do apps. Right here, earn up to 14.5% on crypto. Earn up to 14% on stable coins. DeFi made simple. DeFi wallet, your keys in crypto, DeFi earn, and DeFi swap. All right, everybody, back over here at crypto.com. What's our price prediction? I think this token can go back to 50 cents for sure. It's at 42 cents. All our information is for educational purposes only, but the Super Bowl is coming, and we're going to watch this cryptocurrency on the Super Bowl commercials, and the whole world's going to see crypto.com. It's going to be pretty exciting, everybody. All right, if you want to get inspired, NFTs could inspire you. If you're looking into getting into that, definitely do it. Follow your dreams. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do it. If it happens to be in the crypto space, watch some more videos, learn some more stuff. All right, don't forget to click right here so you see our most recent video. Monday through Friday, we're bringing you a video every day at noon. And the weekends around 3 or 4. Bonus videos are at 5 and 8. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day, and we'll see you a little bit later on.